And this is the visual presentation for 7418697. As you can notice, the Whitsun bridge at nominal persistence when the platinum 100 is resistance of 100. If we run the multisim, we notice that the voltage across the terminals is 0 volts. So if we are to change the resistance to 140, run, you notice that our output is 0.1, which is the same output, the maximum output we are supposed to be having from the design specifications of the project, taking a mid figure of probably 120. Notice an output of about 50%, which shows linearity, since 50% is half of 0.1. So for a scale of 0 to 1, 120 will be 50%. And if you look at the data sheet, we'll notice that there will also be 50% of the scale, which will also result into 50 degrees, which is in line with the linearity of the PT100. Going on to the amplifier. The amplifier, when connected, is causing the readings to change. And I'm not sure now why this is happening.